Hey YouTube! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a story that's going to blow your mind. I'm not promising get-rich-quick schemes, but I am showing you how I realistically turned a measly $100 into $10,000 trading Forex. No, it wasn't overnight, and yes, there were setbacks, but the strategy I used is something anyone can learn and potentially adapt. Stick with me, because this is a journey you won't want to miss. I'll walk you through my exact strategy step by step, my biggest mistakes, and how you can use this approach to reach your own trading goals. Let's get right into it. Now you might be wondering, why start with $100? For two reasons. First, it makes trading accessible for almost anyone. Second, starting with a small amount forces you to be careful with each trade, which is key to learning discipline and avoiding common pitfalls. All right. Here's the framework I followed. This is a combination of solid risk management, patience, and technical analysis. Forex trading is high risk, and without a plan, you're likely to lose it all. My strategy centers around three things: risk management, small, consistent wins, and compounding those profits over time. Here's a breakdown of how I structure my trades. I mostly focus on high liquidity pairs like EUR/USD and USD/JPY because they have tight spreads, which is great for beginners with small accounts. First, position sizing and risk management. I only risked about 1% to 2% of my account per trade. This way, even if I hit a losing streak, I'd still have capital to work with. 2. Finding entry points. I used technical analysis, nothing too fancy. I focused on moving averages, support and resistance levels, and RSI to time my entries and exits. Now here's where the magic happens. Compounding. Instead of taking profits out after each win, I let my profits ride by keeping them in the account and adjusting my position sizes accordingly. This allowed my small wins to build up over time. Compounding is what really made the difference between $100 turning into $1,000 and then $10,000. Okay, it's story time. Let me tell you about a few of my biggest blunders along the way. 1. Over-trading. At one point, I got too confident and started placing way too many trades. Big mistake. Overtrading can kill your account balance fast because it leads to impulsive decisions. 2. Ignoring the news. I used to ignore global news, thinking technical analysis was all I needed. Then, a central bank announcement came out, and a sudden spike wiped out a week's worth of gains. Lesson learned. One thing to remember, this strategy isn't a quick ticket to $1 million. It took me months to reach $10,000 with lots of ups and downs along the way. So that's the blueprint. This is a realistic path to growing a small account in Forex. The key takeaways? Risk management, patience, and compounding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And let me know in the comments, have you tried Forex trading or are you planning to? Let's chat down below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.